Israel kills 3 Palestinians in separate attacks. Nearly 300 Palestinian students in Israel jails. Turkey and Iran discuss joint anti-terror operation against PKK. Egypt has no condition for Syria's Arab League return. Kuwait to try pro-Assad businessman on money laundering. Employees fired in UAE for hailing New Zealand attacks. Russian Defense Minister meets Bashar al-Assad in Syria. US pledges $500,000 in security assistance to Libya. Civilians killed in US airstrikes targeting Al-Shabaab. Pakistan to fence border with Iran. Kashmir grieves custodial death of young teacher. 2007 train bombing, Indian court acquits 4 accused.